click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to print multiple images into a single page. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, let me open all the image. So here I have 4 image file and I want to print all these 4 images into a single page. So what I need to do is I select all this image and right click on the image and I select print. Now here I have an options to select. So if I want to add 2 images per page, then select this options, and if I want to add 4 images per page, so I select this options 9 into 3 13. So you can see here there are 4 and all the 4 images is added into a single page. So if you have more than 4 images, then you can select 9, or you can select if you have 35 images, so you can select these options. So if you have a 9 image and want to add into a single page, so you can select these options. So I want to add 4 images into a single page, so I select in these options and I click on print to print into a paper. So after printing is done, the image will be look like this. All image has printed into a single paper, you can see here. So in this way you can print multiple images into a single page without using any image editing software in Windows computer. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.